Polkadot may jump 8% by July 10, coin data flow suggests. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. Polkadot has advanced by 0.9% today and is currently hovering around $0.835. Let's head into the forecast segment. 30 rate sees the level at $0.805 by July 10, which means a fall of 3.6%. CoinLore projects Polkadot to move downward towards $0.815, a projected loss close to 2.3%. Traders Union notes it may push higher towards $0.852, a rise close to 2.1%. A separate outlook from coin data flow points to Polkadot climbing to $0.901, a potential increase of roughly 8%. Finally, Crypto Predictions forecasts a move towards $0.926 by tomorrow, marking a gain of 11%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. Having looked at the predictions, here's the next layer. Based on the spread of views, the price may move between a decline of 3.6% and a rise of 11%. Reviewing the results, Crypto Predictions shows the highest return with 11% gain in value by July 10. Ultimately, you could collect between $21 and $110 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, Traders Union ranks highest with a 81.7% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a consensus scenario. Taken together, the forecasts put Polkadot on track for a 3% rise. Okay, let's open up the details. Consensus modeling indicates a 3% move higher. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 3%. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $30 of upside. So by probability measures, the consensus view for Polkadot is given a chance of around 74%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. 30 rate signals a short-term move lower. A bearish outlook is additionally projected by CoinLore, pointing to a decline. Traders Union suggests upward pressure will persist. Also, CoinDataFlow projects an ascending trajectory for Polkadot. According to Crypto Predictions, the price path is meanwhile set to rise. When the different perspectives are blended, the consensus forms an upward projection for Polkadot in the short run. According to the combined views, 60% of analysts anticipate strength in Polkadot. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the day ahead. That day has already played out, so let's see how they matched. By the close, the price stood at $0.827. Out of all 5, only 2 aligned with the actual direction. Best forecast on accuracy came from CoinPrice Forecast. Now comes the breakdown. Not one forecast aligned with yesterday's actual range. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with CoinPrice Forecast leading the positive group at 4%. Here's the full recap table. The entire set of results shown together. Traders Union posted $0.046 accuracy, 87.5% forecast probability, and 4% ROI. Take a moment to check who's been the most consistent so far. And now, let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Polkadot and other assets. Polkadot leads all forecast comparisons with an estimated profitability of 3%. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and a more detailed return comparison is already published on my website. If you're following Polkadot forecasts, hit like to show you want more updates like this. Take care and see you in the next one.